have taken a little time to poke this one with a stick, try a couple things, figure out at least maybe a couple things that don't work, even if you weren't able to figure out what would. Okay. So many things are going to rush into your head when you see something like this. Use substitution. You can rule that out pretty quick. Pythagorean swap, which would lead you into use substitution and ruling that out as well. You could try power reducing, but I think that this X right here really kind of blocks you from being able to use any of those ideas. So instead, you could notice that you've got one function of X being multiplied by another one, in which case you could always try integration by parts and see if it works, and it's going to work. So let's go ahead and see how to go about this. So we're going to let u equal x, since when we take its derivative, it would get simpler. And then we're going to let, dv, that is, equal the rest. There we go. Okay, so let's follow our calculus nose. So du is dx. And then to do v, I'm going to go ahead and show some dirtbag math here. So v would be the integral of sine squared x dx, which you would need the power reducing formula to be able to integrate. So sine squared x is equivalent to, oh goody, that's my Roomba talking to us, so that's great. Anyway, we'll probably make some guest appearances as we go. Anyway, let's see, let's split this. So, and then do these two separately. So we'd have 1/2 x for the first one. I'm going to bring the 1/2 down, and then I'm just going to think about what I'd have to take the derivative of to get that to be the answer.
Please charge Roomba.
All right, anyway, stop. All right, anyway, sorry, my Roomba really needs some attention. So derivative of sine is cosine. And then we'd have an extra 2 if we didn't have a 1/2 out here waiting. So, so this is where most of the work is getting this stuff done. All right, so now we know what v is. Good times. So this would equal u times v minus the integral of v du. Woo. All right, I'm going to go ahead and distribute that in. So we'd have 1/2 x squared minus 1/4 x sine of 2x. Let's go ahead and find the antiderivative of 1/2 x. So that would be 1/4 x squared. Let's see, I'm going to factor the negative 1/4 out, keeping in mind that you're subtracting it. There we go. All right, I wanted to make sure with this last example that, you could feel like you had some fun at school today. Oh, you know what? I should probably merge these like terms here with the x squareds, huh? Let's do that. So we have 1/2 x squared, take away 4th x squared, so that would be just 1/4 x squared. There we go. Woo, okay, so plus 1/4, and then we'll just see, okay, derivative of cosine would be negative sine, so, and then we'd also have an extra 2 out front, so we'd need to have a negative 1/2 out front. Whoops, oh goody. What happened there? There we go, plus c. It'll be a miracle if I got this right, but anyway. All right, so we got 1/4 x squared minus 1/4 x times sine of 2x minus 1/8 cosine 2x plus c.
Please charge Roomba.
All right, and Roomba says, that's Roomba saying that we all did a super good job, even if I probably mess that up. But anyway, hopefully the idea makes sense. And I'm sure you guys will let me know what details I messed up, if any. All right, my friends, this is like my 7th hour of recording videos. And so I'm going to go ahead and take a rest and congratulate you on finishing section 7.3. Hang in there, everybody.